In news overseas, King Charles says he is deeply concerned about the arrest of his younger brother, Andrew Mountbatten-Windsor, formerly known as Prince Andrew, but said the law must take its course. Andrew was arrested Tuesday on suspicion of misconduct in a public office following a complaint about the alleged sharing of confidential material with the late sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. In a statement, King Charles said the authorities would have the family's full cooperation. Andrew has previously denied any wrongdoing in relation to the Jeffrey Epstein incident. And the primetime news package continues with sports right after this break with Jermaine Brown.